Today, access to duty-free trolleys is still being secured by plastic seals and common padlocks. Airlines need a safer, smarter and user-friendly solution. With Smart Lock, Zodiac Aerospace offers an intelligent lock and seal system for airline cabin equipment. Packed with valuable items for onboard sale, the trolleys are sealed as they start their journey. Plastic seals and padlocks are no longer needed, which reduces handling. When a trolley is handed over, the seal number on the display shows that the trolley is closed and secure. Innovative touch key technology can be used in combination with existing crew cards to gain access to trolleys and automatically capture insightful data. Smart Lock keeps track of all access events as part of an audit trail, and thereby innocent personnel are cleared from any suspicion. By simply pressing the lock button, the trolley is firmly locked and electronically sealed. At the airport storage facility, Smart Lock data is simply synchronized with the handheld device. This device connects to the secure server via Wi-Fi. Total access control with Zodiac Fleet Keeper allows airlines to view and control when, where and by whom a trolley is accessed. As a result, the Smart Lock system adds value to airline operations while enabling major savings. Stay in control of your onboard equipment with Zodiac Smart Lock.